Hey guys, you've probably heard that whey protein is just for bodybuilders or athletes. Well, I can tell you that that is just a myth and that is not correct. Now, yes, bodybuilders and athletes, they do use whey protein really to help get the amino acids into their body that they need so that they can build the muscle mass that they're looking for. Now, as they build that muscle mass, it's going to help them compete better. It's going to help them with the endurance during their workouts. And so you're probably saying, well, Damon, I'm not an athlete or a bodybuilder, so why would whey protein be good for me? I'm glad you asked. Whey protein will be good for you because it's going to give you the protein boost that you need. As a matter of fact, it's going to help get rid of the stubborn belly fat that you've been trying to get rid of for quite some time. So if you want that six pack, it's time to start consuming whey protein. Whey protein is even good for our older seniors because it helps give them the protein boost that they need as well. And it also helps create muscles in their bodies that they need as they get older. So I can tell you today, protein does the body good. So go out and get you a good whey protein and remember to stay healthy and to continue to strive towards your life's purpose. Take care.